skis. So I start this exercise by teaching the dumbbell to the front, and we bring the knees up towards the chest, then that feet out, and then we push the dumbbell forward and back. So it's push out, push out. Now, there's a reason why I'm holding it vertically. Can you do it this way? Sure, there's nothing wrong with that, but there's actually a reason why I'm holding it vertically. So that's what I call option one. So knees up to the chest, make sure the dumbbell comes all the way into the body, push the dumbbell all the way out. Option two gets interesting. So option two is where we translate the dumbbell from one hand to the other. It looks like this. So both hands in front. When the dumbbell goes back, goes all the way back. Really important because you want to get that full tricep extension. Now the hand, the dumbbell, you go over your fingers and push the palm back, push the palm in. I'll show you from the back. Extends to the back. The secret to teaching this is to make sure that you demonstrate your full extension and they've got bend their elbows to come into the chest again. Otherwise, this is the common error. Now, very little triceps, lots of movement to the front, very little movement to the back. Now, I want as much movement to the back as there is to the front. But the back part should be harder because the front part you've got both arms coming together to push it forwards. Secret to this is make sure they tuck their knees up, because as they tuck their knees up, they're more likely to bend their elbows. This is a tough one, technically. You'll get lots and lots of people doing it in all sorts of crazy ways and not really extending and getting their elbows. So make sure that when you're doing this exercise that you're going to give it in a way that they understand it's technically challenging and it's going to work the backs of their arms, and they should feel it there, because if they're not feeling it there, they're not doing it correctly. But I really like this exercise. Start off with that basic one, then add that extra layer to satisfy my clients that like more challenging workouts, and that's this week's aptitude. Demonstrating the cross-country skis with the knees coming up to your chest is going to require a fair bit of motion. You're going to work as an instructor for this one. So this is how I teach it. Grab the dumbbell, hold it at your chest height, push it in and out. At the same time, you have your legs apart, one leg forward, one leg back, pull your knees up to your chest and tuck up high. With your dumbbell, you're pulling in and out, in and out. So if you're starting with the arm action, then demonstrate the leg action, go back and demonstrate the arm action again. It's a lot of information for them to take in. The really important part is that they remember to pull their knees up. So I often demonstrate it in both directions. You will notice I use the frame this way. The reason why I like to use the frame this way is because I don't need to worry about anything behind me to take my foot back. I can see where that bar is in front. Of course, you can also use the frame this way. Yep, and some people feel more comfortable doing it like that, and there's nothing wrong with that. Or alternatively, you might sit on the back and lift your knees up and down and demonstrate it that way too. But the important part is that you're lifting your knees up towards your chest, before you push your feet back down to the bottom of the pool. So, to demonstrate the level 2 of this, they need to be doing that. So I'll say it like this. Keep going with your legs, bring your knees all the way up to your chest, and if you want to work harder, both arms forward, hold on to the dumbbell with one hand, change hands in the front. Make sure that you are bending your elbows as as you take the arm and the dumbbell back. Turn the palm of the free hand in the water so it's working as hard as the dumbbell arm. And you want to make sure that you fully extend the arms all the way to the back. That's exactly what I would say if I was teaching that exercise. All of that. You have to decide how effective you want to be as an instructor. If trying to teach an Aqua class with limited demonstrations, limited words, limited instructions, limited everything, then you're going to get a limited result from your clients. And they might give you feedback that they can't follow, or they don't get as good a workout, or they may choose to vote with their feet and go to other classes. You get to choose how much you choose to put into your class and how you demonstrate your passion for that type of movement in the water. But as an instructor, you need to teach. You need to indicate all the bits and pieces, give as much information as possible, repeat yourself, because not always everyone can hear or absorb all the information, and so you may need to repeat yourself using different words, especially for that final exercise or that level 2, so you've got to get that extension to the back. You're going to have to work to teach this one, but other than that, that's this week's Aqua tip.